If I had to make my first $1,000 online in 30 days, I would do this. Starting from zero, no audience, no fancy brand, no theory, no motivation, a simple, realistic plan that actually works. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Salwa. I have been working remotely for the last 8 years, and today I teach people how to make money online so they can work from anywhere. All right, the first thing I would do is I would pick one skill and one skill only. Not something complicated, not something that needs years of experience. Things like social media support, content editing, email setup, CRM cleanup, admin or tech support. The goal is not passion, the goal is speed. You can always pivot later, but right now the focus is to make money. Next thing I would do is I would package a simple offer, something that is clear, not hourly, not vague. Something like, I'll manage your social media content for the next 30 days for $500. Clear problem, clear results, clear price. That's it. Now, if you have 2 clients at $500, you got your $1,000. Boom. The next thing I would do is outreach, and this is where most people mess up. I would not wait for people to find me. I would reach out. I would reach out first. I would reach out to businesses, founders, creators, professional. I would always be respectful, and I would send a message or an email, something like this. What I notice, how I can help, and a simple call to action. I'll give you an example. I used to do marketing for insurance agents. So when I needed new clients, I would go on Google My Business. I would pick a state that I was interested in working with, and then I would look for their website and I would search to see where I can offer value. Sometimes the website was really badly done. Sometimes they didn't really have a following on social media. So whatever I could find, I would then send them an email, very polite, and I would say, I have experience in this. I can help you rebuild your website. If you are interested, here's my portfolio down below, and I would be happy to have a conversation with you. And I would do this every day until I would get the next client, and it would work. You have to understand, professionals don't have the time. So if you can help them save time and save money, they most likely might be interested in what you have to offer. So most people quit after 5 messages. I would send 10 to 20 messages per day for the next 30 days. Outreach equal income. Don't give up. Next thing I would do is the delivery. Once you land the client, your job is simple. Do what you promise, deliver on time, communicate clearly, and don't overpromise, don't disappear, just be a professional human being. Your first $1,000 is not about perfection, it's about trust. And this is how you get testimonials, referrals, and repeat clients. Once you have your clients and your client is happy, now it's time to scale. How do you do that? Once this works, you can scale in 1 or 2 ways. Number 1, you raise your price, raise value, or you systemize your delivery. Same skill, same offer, better positioning. For example, I had a client, I was managing their Google My Business. Then after that, I offered to redo their logos because the logo wasn't that great. Then I offered to do the website, and then after that, we started doing ads. Same clients. We started with $500 a month of me managing the Google My Business and their Facebook business page. And from there, I took it to the next level. So this is how you turn $1,000 or $500 into $3,000, $5,000, not by chasing trends, but by repeating what works. So now let me tell you about what you should avoid, so that way I can save you months of frustration. Avoid waiting to feel ready. Avoid building a brand before making any money. Avoid doing free work with no strategy. Avoid buying courses after courses instead of taking actions. Avoid shiny object syndrome, very important, because money comes from doing, not watching. And lastly, I want to leave you with this. If you find this video interesting and you want to also learn how to make an income online, I created a free guide. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap that will teach you the step-by-step on how to get started. And I will leave the link down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye from Mexico. Bye.